what's up Ghana, what's up Africa, what's up world? Yeah, it's your boy Shado. I'm here and I'm so much excited. First of all, I want to say a very big thank you to God Almighty for keeping me safe, for bringing me this far. And I want to say a very big thank you to my family, my friends, to my vloggers and to radio presenters, who have been talking about me and promoting me every time. It's all about the Lamont EP and I'm super excited how you guys are supporting me, how you guys are posting the flyers and talking about the Lamont EP. Thank you so much. The Lamont EP is coming on the 18th of September 2020 and you guys are going to love it because the sounds are amazing. I have some great features on it that I'm going to unveil soon and I know you guys are going to love it. Stay with me, keep supporting my movement, keep sharing my stuff, and God bless you. Yeah, it's your boy Shado.
Yeah.